how I have helped one of my students from Spain made over 12,300 US dollars in 3 weeks, yes, in 23 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, I know you're asking yourself, okay, she has made over $12,000. Now, what was the ad spend? The ad spend was 2,600 US dollars. So 2,600 US dollars. Now, how is this possible? In 2026, it's still possible to make money online as long as you have someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you along the way. What we did differently, okay? Because she used to spend thousands of dollars on different courses from different gurus, from different ClickBank gurus online, and she has always failed. She lost money. She got even her ad account shut down in the past with Facebook ads. So what we did differently this time is we said, okay, let's go step by step and follow exact framework that actually converts. So we choose the product, done for her product, okay, done for your product on ClickBank with great enough upsell take rate. Why this is important? Because some person will buy, let's say, $37 front end or $90 front end product, and then they also buy the upsells. Okay, maybe they buy, I don't know, weight loss supplement, Nutra, whatever, course, program, anything, right? And you can make up to $500 per one sale from one customer alone. And that's why you see the economics, the math behind it adds up. Because if I spend $100 in a day, or 50 US dollars, or 50 euros in a day, okay, and I get 100 euros back in the same day, okay, it's great. Okay, I break even and I make some profit. So that's why you can get Google Ads for free if you know what you're doing. If you have someone who can actually give you the right media buying, the right paid traffic, paid ad strategy that actually works and converts. That's the most important thing. Okay, maybe you have bought courses in the past. Maybe you have tried ClickBank affiliate marketing and you have failed. Now, it's not your fault. Maybe you have followed the wrong, outdated methods that used to work many years ago. What we are doing now differently, especially with this student, I'm helping her. Okay, she's working 9 to 5. Now, she has a plan to quit her 9 to 5 soon. But the reason what we do, why she's successful is because she followed proven framework that actually converts in 2026. People go on Google for 2 reasons: to get educated or to make a buying decision. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so they go on Google to make a buying decision. Let's say they have diabetes, they want to lose weight before summer, especially in Europe right now, right? And they go and buy weight loss products, or they buy manifestation products, or dating products, right? Or car insurance, life insurance. There are so many products online that you can promote for high commission. Now we choose products with great enough upsell take rate, and also we know psychology of markets, criteria of markets, positioning of ad copy and landing page. All this matters, okay? All this matters. It's about psychology of marketing online. All right? That's what enabled me to travel to over 70 countries. Yes, 70 countries. Thanks to ClickBank affiliate marketing. Thanks to promoting different CPA offers online. Okay, as an affiliate, of course, without showing my face. I usually work 30 minutes to 1 hour per day on my own campaigns, promoting different products online with paid ads. And you can do the same in 2026. But you have to understand, you need to have someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way by hand-holding you and giving you the exact framework, strategy, criteria of markets, so you can actually know, okay, what kind of message the market match you need to in order to succeed. Okay, you don't need a lot of clicks. Okay, lots of gurus say, yeah, you need clicks or click rate. No, it doesn't matter. What matters is the right types of click. Buyers traffic and buyers clicks is what makes you money, my friend. So as you watch this video, if you have tried ClickBank, maybe you have tried, I don't know, Amazon FBA, you have failed, dropshipping, MLM, whatever, and you know there is still possibility to make money online, it's true. Yes, you can still make money online. It's possible to make 100, 200, 500 or a day, daily net profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner, as a newbie in 2026. And again, as long as you have someone, remember, who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way by giving you, for example, over the Zoom call, great campaign that actually converts, that works, and then you can scale slowly from there. Okay, so you can have sustainable passive income in 2026. And how it also enabled me to travel a lot around the world because that is my passion. This is my dream. Okay, I don't know what your dream or goal is. For take care of your family, go to extra, I don't know, exotic vacation, Disneyland, Bali, Santorini, whatever, right? In Greece, whatever your goal is, it's possible if you take action. If you're not excuse maker, and you have actually as someone who can help you personally, one-on-one, step by step along the way. Because especially in this AI age, when gurus are using AI chatbots, they're not replying personally to you, they're not willing to take a phone call with you. How the heck you think you're gonna succeed if you don't have an edge or leverage or someone who can have personal relationship with you and help you to see what you don't know? Because you don't know what you don't know, but once you know, you are able to apply and say, oh, aha, now you see the bigger picture and you can move forward. So as you watch this video, if you want to finally have results in 2026, if you're not excuse maker, if you're action taker, let me know. There's my WhatsApp number, correct, my personal cell phone number, my email, my Instagram, and Facebook Messenger, all in the description below. So you can reach out to me one-on-one and let's make something happen.